talk about some of the economics we could potentially see in the next 6 years. Dmitry, thanks for joining Bloomberg TV. You said turnout is a key despite a predictable outcome. It's likely that President Putin was going to win. His campaign manager, though, said the diplomatic spat in the UK boosted support. Do you agree with this?
Obviously, it's quite hard to correctly answer your question. Clearly, the Putin advisors know it's better what factors contributed to this high turnout. But at the same time, I fully accept the thesis that overall geopolitical tensions between Russia and the West helped maybe to guarantee this high support for Mr. Putin among the population and this high turnout rate for these elections.
How does Russia remain attractive to the business community in this environment?
You know, it's quite interesting observation. Indeed, Russia is still one of the most important or interesting market for both for financial investors and for real investors, for companies working in Russia. Our clients, our contacts with our clients working in Russia, multinational companies, they still show that Russia is one of the most attractive markets, just because people already got used to this geopolitical risk, geopolitical tensions. They still know how to work.
So that's priced in?
Yeah, I think it's priced in, and unless we talk about the scenario of much tougher economic or financial restrictions, we still think that it will be more or less the status quo environment for business.
His State of the Nation, he really mapped out these two plans for Russia: domestic issues, focusing on healthcare, living wage, stagnant living conditions and wages, and then the second kind of government plan of this military might. How does he balance these two? Which one do you think is more important for Russia?
You know, indeed, if you look at the past, Mr. Putin has always been very successful in balancing different interests. And indeed, this state of the address to this Federation Council was very interesting. On the one side, we had a very ambitious economic plans, which may indeed highlight the potential for Russian economic growth. But on the other side, we had this military-based story, which again, mostly a reflection of the general tensions between Russia and other countries. So the key, the success and balance in these two parts within the budget, within the economic policy is the key for Russia to succeed on the economic side.